Assalamu alaikum. I am the student of BS Economics second semester. Today we will discuss the topic of marketing research process. This is the 12th chapter of the marketing research introduction. Every marketer need market research and most large company have their own market research department. Marketer research involve a four-step process. The first step consists of the manager research, carefully defining the problem and setting the research objective. Primary data collection, call and for choosing research approach. Observation, survey, experiment, choosing a contact method, mail, telephone, personal, designing a sampling plan, home, a survey, how many to survey and how to choose them. The fourth step consists of the interpreting, reporting, finding further information analysis, help marketing manager to apply information and provide advanced statistically procedure and models to develop more rigorous finding from the information. International marketing researchers follow the same step and domestic research but often force more challenging problem. Our organization need to understand the major public policy and ethic issues around marketing research. Uses application of research in marketing. Decision making is a crucial process in all type of organization. This decision making requires the information that is collected and acquired through the market research process. This information can be regarding customer, company or competitor or that environmental factor. Major use the market research in the organization are as follows. Types: measurement of market potential, analysis of market share, determination of market characters, sales analysis, product testing, forecasting, study of business trend, study of competitor product. उसके बाद the term market research process, defining the problem and research of developing the research plan, implementing the research plan and interpreting the reporting finding. Now we will discuss the step in detail. Diagram: problem defining and research object, developing the research plan, implementation, interpretation and reporting of find. First step, the market management research must work closely together, define the problem carefully and agree on the research objective. Marketer manager must know enough market research to help the planning and interpreted result are exploratory research, descriptive research, causal research, developing the research plan. In developing the research plan, the attempt is to determine information needed, outline source of scanned data, develop to a plan to gather it efficiently and presenting the plan of market management. इसके आगे रिसर्च प्लान के इन्वॉल्व आगे हैं डिटरमाइन स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन नीड, गैदरिंग स्कैनिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, प्लानिंग, प्राइमरी डाटा कलेक्शन. Determine specific information need, gathering scanning information need. Point: it can usually be obtained quickly and lower cost of data. Sometimes data can be provided that individual company could not collect its own. Other point: the need information might to exist even if data is found, it might not be usable. The researcher must evaluate secondary information to make certain it relevant, accurate, current, and impartial. Main question is use collect data, amount of information of a low cost telephone interview, good method for collecting information quickly, personal interview, which can be either individual or group interview. Further point: primary data is information collected from a specific person on hand. Planning primary data collection, a plan for primary data collection, call for a number of decision or research approaches, contact method, sampling, plan and research instrument. Research approach: observe research where information gain is observing relevant people, action and situation. However, some think such feeling, attitude, motivate private behavior cannot be observed mechanically. Observation can be obtained through single source data system. Second point: survey research is gathering is primary data. Ask people question about knowledge, attitude, preference, and buying behavior. Survey research is best suited gather descriptive information. Third point: experimental research involves the gathering of primary data by selecting match group of subjects, giving them indifferent treatment, controlling related factor, and checking difference in group responses. Research instrument: in collecting primary data, market research have a choice through main research instrument, the questionnaire and mechanical devices. The questionnaire is by far the most common instrument, where it administered in person, by phone, by online. The form of each question can influence response. Marketer research distinction between closed and question and open and question. Closed and question include all possible answer and subject make choose among them. Open questions are especially used in exploratory research, which research is trying to find out that people think